Hey, what's up, reviewers? It's me, your boy Thabo, and today we are back with, today we are starting. I've been killing slimes for 300 years and maxed out my level. Gotta love these light novel, super long fucking titles. Like, do you love your mom and her two-hit multi-target attacks? Is it wrong to try to pick up girls in a dungeon? Hensuki, would you love a girl or even if would you love a cute girl even if she was a little bit of a pervert or something like that? Like, just, oh man, just all these super long titles always kill me. But that is neither here nor there. Like I said, I'm coming into all these shows blind. We just got done, or I just got done recording Nagatoro. That was absolutely hilarious. Like, just the shenanigans and the antics of it. Like, I'm looking forward to seeing more of that. But with this show, again, I saw that it was coming out. I saw the little like I haven't seen a preview or anything for it really. I just kind of I looked at the key visual, I read the description a little bit, and then obviously the title kind of definitely drew me in. So again, I'm going into this blind. I have no idea what the hell I'm in for. Other than probably just like a fantasy series that's gonna have comedic aspects to it, but other than that, I don't know. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Let's go. Female, single, corporate slave. Jesus. 27 years old. All work and no play makes a great man dull, or however the hell that's the saying goes. Overworked. Burnt yourself out. So this is an Isekai. I just died, didn't I? You worked yourself to death while still in your 20s. Jesus. That's one way to look at it, yes. I bet. It's okay for a guy to be biased. Yes. Make me immortal and ageless. Jesus. Alright, that's quite the request to make immediately. Yeah, same. Already relating to this character, aside from the whole, working yourself to death in your early 20s, or late 20s. Around age 17, just the way. I'm not gonna finish that sentence, but. What? Huh? ¿Qué? Ooh, nice scenery. I maxed out my level. I'm just getting Isekai and like, there's a leveling system? Like what? Well, I would hope so. Just Isekai you like the dude from the smartphone Isekai. Wow, I really do look 17. Yes, you have. Huh? I'm sorry, every time I see that scene, I can't help but think of like Levi. I have a weapon too. Nice. Probably don't have much. I look like just a few copper coins. It's kind of cute. Just immediately attack it. So we're going with the trope that they're weak characters? Alright. mean, kind of need money to be self-sufficient. Working, you're pretty self-sufficient doing that. Like, flat. Cool, so we're just getting a bet. Hell yeah. I've been needing another, like, decent isekai. Is that not the goddess? Is that not the goddess? That's the goddess, isn't it? Special abilities, immortality. Immortality at level 1 is remarkable. Yeet, got a job. You know what other show was like absolutely fucking amazing that had to do with witches? Was The Journey of Elena, the Wandering Witch, I think is the full name. But either way, just The Journey of Elena. Such a... I know, neither here nor there, right? But like, such an amazing fucking show. I just got a little sidetracked because, you know, obviously the similarities in them, except that was not an isekai, that was just straight up fantasy. Must be nice. Probably gets boring too. And then 300 years pass. Yeah, nice. Everyone just knows her now. Yeah, the Witch of the Highlands. Nice. Stop the spread of the plague, Jesus. Well, I mean, you are an immortal witch living near them that fucking provides for them. Of course they worship you. Jesus. 5,200 gold. It's been 300 years. The other one's probably dead. It's kind of morbid, but like... Also, I like the fact that the city looked much more developed, too. Like, even the guild, it looks a little bit more developed. Obviously, right after 300 years, but I'm glad that they have that attention to detail, where it's not just like, oh, 300 years have passed and nothing's fucking changed. Level 99, Jesus. Nah, this thing's just broken. Jeez, that's a whole lot of experience. We're gonna break down the math right now. Just two. Becomes 4? 4? Well, yeah. Jesus. You're not a super dragon killer, you're just committing genocide with fucking slimes. Oh. I want to glorify you as much as you deserve. He's just sitting there like, I want to be left alone. Don't believe her. She's way too excited about this. Oh no. He literally froze a waterfall. Oh, nice. Leave me alone. And you want to fight her. I was told that someone completely fucking broken was living here. No soliciting. She's about to just destroy them. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, you asked for it. Just saying. Lies. Cap. Oh, never mind. I'm sorry, I didn't believe you. God damn it. I had to tell everyone. No, no. Straight up dragon. Just a straight up dragon. I would like to be your maid. Her face is, are you serious right now? What I have a feeling that dragon's gonna wanna be a part of her party. Her makeup party. Love it. Does that mean her, like, physical strength is also... She just gonna straight up punch him. Cause yeah, if she's level 99, right? Oh jeez. And she tore up your house. She couldn't breathe. Yup, physical strength is also level up. It's fucking hilarious. No. I have a fair amount of money. Jesus Christ. Oh man, I love it. This show is fucking amazing already. Oh man. They literally weren't gonna attack the city, they just wanted to fight, like... Oh, that's sweet. So much for a simple, quiet life. Exactly, be selfish a little bit. You need to be. Ooh, that sounds flames. That sounds absolutely flames right now. Ooh, I'm probably gonna order some chicken katsu on Uber Eats right now because I am craving some chicken katsu. Especially because they always come with a little side of miso soup and just... Are you really gonna try and fight me in town right now? Against the dragon! I knew it! Jesus. I don't think she needs that much. Yeah, it's definitely more than enough. Yup. She's gonna have a fucking... Woo. She's gonna have a fucking, what's it called? A guild of just absolute fucking monsters. Because I feel like it's just gonna be like, oh, I'm the strongest this. And then they're gonna get washed by her and they're like, let me join. Oh, y'all always gotta polish your skills. Can't can't fault her for that. I love the fact that the flames in the back look like wings a little bit. And the way that they peaked. That was a nice little detail. I really, really, really do like the little attention to detail of the show. This fucking strongest person in the world is lazy as shit. Gotta love it. That was a huge house. What the fuck do you mean? Bet. Interested to see how to build a log house. That is literally how I died last time. She got triggered. Perfect way of thinking. Like, not even joking. It's good to work hard, but it's better to take breaks too. Better to slowly chip away at something, you know? Nice. Jesus. Who wouldn't that please? God damn, that's a huge house. And she did all the masonry and furniture making and all that. God damn. She's quite the carpenter. Yeah, this is going to be a very fun ride. So far, it looks like Saturdays are probably going to be the days that I'm looking forward to the most. Like, I do love, you know, I do love me my darker themes, and I do love me just, you know, some more intense shows, right? But at heart, I love slice of life. And I love goofy stuff like this. This right here is my fucking niche. Like, it's been my niche since I started watching anime. I just love goofy, just goofy nonsense like this, man. Ooh, I got fucking, shit. I got beanie hair now. I don't even have that much hair. Like, goddamn. But, yeah, like I said, you know, goofy shit like this is definitely my fucking niche when it comes to anime. Like, it's just feel good, make you laugh, just nonsense like this, right? Obviously, right? You know, like I said, I do love me my darker themes, which is why I'm looking forward to Your Eternity, I think is the name of it, and then obviously Drawn, the Princess of Snow and Blood. I'll be recording and everything a lot today and tomorrow, so that way I have the videos scheduled for upload, throughout the week. Just catching up on a lot of the series that I'm trying to just finish off on the channel, so I could start some new stuff and finish off some other series that I really enjoy, and continue on some of the longer series that I'm watching, like Hunter x Hunter and Black Clover, because those are very long series, and it's going to take me a very long time to like catch up with any of them. But I feel it's a fun little project for the show or for the channel having those two on. But yeah, like I said, like this show definitely is hitting my niche of just goofy, feel good nonsense. Like it's a nice little goofy little isekai again, which I'm pretty happy about. Like the characters seem really well, thought out. I love the pacing of it. The pacing of it is definitely, you know, definitely adds to it where it's like a little hectic, but it's part of the charm of the show, right? Where you're not sitting there like, all right, things are moving way too fucking fast. Things are like moving perfectly paced. Same thing with Nagatoro, right? But I definitely can't wait to see more of just our main characters, our main cast, and just like I said, the show has a lot of really good attention to detail right now, so far, of what I've noticed at least. I mean, it could also just be me reading too much into just the background art, right? But just some neat little, like I said, neat little details that they have in the background sometimes with the art, and then the fact that they actually took the time to make the village progress, right? When she first got there, obviously it's 300 years, right? She got there as her, right? And then she obviously killed slimes for 300 years, maxed out her powers, like the name of the show, right? But within those 300 years, the village is going to progress, right? And you're going to have people obviously come and go. So it's great. It's honestly a fantastic little. It's not much, and it's something that should kind of be expected, right? But a lot of shows don't do this. And a lot of goofier shows definitely don't do this, right? But the fact that they actually made it look like the town had progressed, and the fact that it was a different guild master now there, right? Or not master, right? But just little guild receptionist. And it was also kind of funny that the first worker at the guild looked like the goddess that reincarnated her, right? So that was a. I'm not sure if that was intentional or not, but to me that was just a neat little tidbit. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to see what her powers are like. Kind of going forward. Like I said, it's hilarious that also her physical strength has leveled up along with her. Right? I mean, obviously, right. Whenever you level up in an RPG, right, you get a stat boost overall. But it's nice that they actually incorporated that in the show as well. So I'm looking forward. Like I said, I'm gonna be looking forward to Saturdays so much, especially because of this show and Nagatoro. I can't wait. But either way, man, this video here, I had to record and do all that, or I had to edit and do all that. So yeah, love y'all. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Double out.